You've seen the aesthetic, but today we're talking strategy. After a quiet civil ceremony, how do you host a high impact reception for 60 guests without the traditional ballroom stress? Welcome to the full breakdown of our restaurant buyout. When we're at a venue like Jump, it's all about intentionality. We're taking a public space and making it feel exclusive through layering, the layout, and the lighting. Coordination is key. When you have a limited time to set florals, menus, and 60 place settings, you have to be extremely intentional about how you use your time. There is something so satisfying about the hip. When you're hosting a reception after a civil ceremony, the transition has to be seamless. We're taking these long tables at the jump and layering in textures from the crisp linens to the menu cards to our florals and our candles. My goal is to always sustain the elegance of the venue while making it feel deeply personalized to our couple and their guest. Creating a cohesive look for a restaurant buyout means working with the architecture, not against it. At Jump, we're using these deep tones and glasses accents to our advantage. I'm layering in these lush florals, runners to soften the lines of the long tables. As I place each place card, I'm reminded why I chose sustain. And it's about building beauty that lasts throughout the evening and experiences that sustain a couple's long joy after the civil ceremony ends. This isn't just a table, it is the heart of our celebration. Some key reminders when booking for a restaurant bio is location, proximity to your civil ceremony location. In this instance, they were right across the street. We're able to share parking for their staff, or not staff, sorry, for their guests to go to one event from the other seamlessly. In terms of decor, something to factor in is that restaurant tables are shorter and narrower than your typical banquet table. And so as you can see in this video, there are several tables to put together to create a line for our guests to sit. Restaurant weddings are an ultimate move for your modern intentional couple. Things that you don't have to worry about is catering. As to a ballroom, is that you would have to consider that. Here, what you can do for your guest is you create a small menu, and so they may have one or two options for entrees. They'll have liquor choices. Often it's just wine and maybe a champagne toast, but everything is already at the restaurant, making it much easier. You also don't need to worry about liquor or gaming licenses or anything of that nature. You just come, show up, have yourself a grand old time, and then leave. It's over with. As long as you inquire about the minimum buy, you're good to go. If you are a couple planning your own civil ceremony reception, or a fellow pro looking to master these space flips, I hope this breakdown gave you the insight that you need. Thank you so much for being a part of the Luxx Events by Krissy journey. I am on a mission to hit 10,000 subscribers this year. So if you enjoyed this behind the scenes look, please hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up and turn on your notifications.